Complete Protein Blend contains 5 different non-GMO plant-based proteins, providing all the essential amino acids in precise proportions, readily usable by the body for building and repairing tissue and muscle. Whole food complex includes 9 different healthy colorful fruits and vegetables offering naturally occurring polyphenols, antioxidants, and flavonoids to support overall wellness. 22 vitamins and minerals act as catalysts in thousands of biochemical reactions every day to support normal and healthy cell function. Fiber and Omega Blend provides 6 grams of dietary fiber to help keep you regular. Also contains over 200 mg of omega-3 to support a healthy brain, heart, and circulatory system. Prebiotics contains 150 mg ActivAloe bioactive polysaccharides that stimulate the growth and maintenance of beneficial intestinal flora. Digestive Enzymes Blend assists in digesting foods more completely for greater absorption of nutrients and the good health that goes with them. All in One Nutritional Protein Powder, plant-based vegan blend naturally flavored and sweetened, great taste, low calorie 20 grams non-GMO protein, 6 grams dietary fiber, no cholesterol, 0 trans fat vegan, whey-free protein powder vanilla shake. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.